thunderstorm warning for
Crap.
Maricopa County in south central Arizona
Focus.
until 12:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 12:07 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Buckeye, moving north at 20 miles per hour.
Well, that scared me.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Dang, freaking
Source,
bot.
radar
Did not
indicated.
go off.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, now you go off.
Impacted include Buckeye, Palo Verde, Perryville, Posse, and Arlington.
I see.
This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 105 and 124. Arizona Route 85 between mile markers 145
Doesn't look that bad.
and 154. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. The current time is